Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got two beautiful salt lamps to look at. They're both made by Levoit. They both come in attractive gift boxes and they're made from hand-carved rock salt, Himalayan salt from Pakistan. This first Levoit salt lamp is from the Boho Chic Series and it has a Rubberwood base. The other one, the Aurora that I'm going to show you, has a stainless steel base. It's a matter of individual preference. They're both very nice. And it does come in this gorgeous gift box. I've never seen a salt lamp come in a box this attractive. Would make a fantastic gift. The top comes off. I suppose you could even reuse the box for something. And there's a ribbon. It's even sealed. It's a very, very attractive box. Both of these salt lamps have long power cords, 6.6 feet in length. So that's usually plenty long enough to reach an outlet. Both of these salt lamps are ETL certified, and they each come with 2 extra bulbs. There is a user manual, and it does have a phone number, as well as an email support number. And that is kind of unusual. Some of the products that I've found sold on Amazon, a lot of them will have an email address, but not a phone number. Some basic information here, and there is a 1-year warranty. Because these are made of rock salt, and they're hand carved, each one is a little different. There's going to be variations in color and shape. I'll give you a better look at this one. And they're very beautiful, whether they're turned on or left off. I'll show you how the on-off switch and dimmer works, which is the same on both lamps. See, there's a nice big button here. You tap it to turn it off and on. And then you press and hold to dim. Brighter, and then press and hold, and dimmer. There it is at the brightest setting. I tend to like salt lamps on the brightest setting. And here is a closer look at the base. These lamps are pretty heavy, of course, because they're made from rock salt. It's not something that's going to tip over easily. Let's take a look at the other Levoit salt lamp, which they call the Aurora. So here is the Levoit Aurora. It's larger, very attractive. They're both beautiful. I'll put them side by side again in a minute so you can see. This one has the stainless steel base. So it's, of course, a matter of individual preference, what you like. I think the stainless steel base definitely would fit in well with a modern decor. And as with all of these, as I mentioned, they're all a little different in shape and color. So each one actually is unique. And they truly are gorgeous when they're off or on. Where's the dimmer? Let's see. On, dim, and bright. Aren't those color variations gorgeous? So here they are side by side. As you can see, that the Aurora with the stainless steel base is a little larger, and the Boho Chic Series with the Rubberwood base. It's a little smaller. They're both gorgeous. And again, as I mentioned, there are individual variations in color and shape of these. Each one is actually unique. And I guess that's even more of a reason that they're so special. Now, Levoit does not make any health claims about its product, and I think that is a good thing. Himalayan salt lamps are said by some to enhance the ionic balance of the surrounding environment by emitting negative ions when heated. I like salt lamps for the beauty, the ambiance, that they add to the decor. I just like looking at them. I just think they're very pretty. So I don't use salt lamps for any health benefits. I mean, if their health benefits, great. I did some quick research and I couldn't find any credible research to support the claims. There's certainly a lot of anecdotal evidence. But anyway, I am impressed with the fact that Levoit does not make these claims, make any health benefit claims. So there are a lot of salt lamps out there these days. Some of them are very inexpensive. Some of them are shoddily made. I do think Levoit stands out in their quality. And they do claim that they are the only company selling salt lamps that has a mining certificate. So that's a look at 2 gorgeous Levoit Himalayan salt lamps. Please check the description section below for more information and links to our social media. Thanks for watching.